Hello everyone, welcome back to Everyday Kelly. My name is Kelly. So today I have an empties video for you. I have been saving up my empties for quite some time, so I wouldn't really expect to do one of these maybe more than once a year because it took me quite a long time to save up a lot of these empties. But today we're going to have a look at some of the things that I've used in the last little while, and I'm going to tell you my thoughts on them. Okay, the first product that we're going to talk about is this Olay Fresh Outlast White Strawberry and Mint Body Wash. I just decided to try it, and I guess because of the brand, it's Olay. It did make my skin feel quite soft, but what I didn't really enjoy was the scent. It kind of smelled really fake smelling, which kind of makes sense because I guess it is a fake scent that they put in here. But it was okay. I probably wouldn't buy it again. I haven't bought it again since I first used it, but it was an all right product. Now, one body wash that I really do enjoy and that I have been using actually for quite some time is this Nivea one, and now it's called Orange and Avocado Oil. When I first started using it, it used to be called Happy Time. And I guess because it has that like orangey sort of citrusy scent to it. And I really do love this. It's very nice going on. It has a very nice scent. I do tend to buy this consistently over and over and over. But yeah, so I really like this one. So let's just continue going with the body wash theme here. And this one is one that I absolutely loved. This one is from Avon, of all places. It's quite expensive, so I probably wouldn't buy it again. But this one is called Passion and Beyond Rose Silk Bouquet Shower Gel. And what I really loved about it is the scent. It really does smell like roses, and I never really considered myself to be a flowery scent person, but it really smells great. And after my showers, even the whole bathroom just smells like there are roses in there. So once again, if it dropped in price, I think it's like $26 for this 300 milliliter bottle. If it dropped in price, I probably would buy it, but at $26 a bottle, I just couldn't really justify doing that. But that being said, I really do love it. Another Olay product. Okay, so I initially bought this particular one because I mistook it for a different product that I used to buy years ago. There used to be this Olay product that was called an in-shower body, I think it was called in-shower body lotion. And it wasn't like a body wash per se, but it really did make your skin feel so soft. And that's what I thought this was when I bought it. But then when I looked closer at the label, it just does say body wash on it. So it is Olay Ultra Moisture Shea Butter Body Wash. And it's nice. Once again, not that fond of the scent. Maybe it's the shea butter scent in there. I don't know. But it is just not, it just smells really kind of fake to me, and kind of cheap. But once again, that being said, really nice for kind of making your skin feel kind of soft. I probably, once again, would not rebuy this one, but it was okay. So now we're gonna move along to a couple of kind of like face products. This one is another one that I really love, and I've been buying it over and over and over, is this St. Ives Fresh Skin Apricot Scrub. I don't think that it specifies that it's just specifically for the face, but I just mainly use it on my face and maybe like the chest area. I really love this. It's economically priced. St. Ives is really great because they're paraben-free, oil-free, it's dermatologist tested, they're also cruelty-free, and the smell is really great. I find the level of exfoliation is not too rough, but it's just enough. It just makes my face feel extra clean and actually really extra soft when I do this. I use this normally in the shower, maybe once a week. I don't do it too often. Sometimes when I just feel like my face really needs an extra scrub. But this is one that I have been actually buying over and over, and it's a regular staple in my shower. So another St. Ives product that I really enjoyed, and I am now just remembering that I probably should rebuy this soon, is the St. Ives Renewing Collagen and Elastin Moisturizer. It has like this really nice minty scent to it, so it's really refreshing. The texture of the lotion is a little bit thicker than your average lotion, but not too thick. Once again, St. Ives, dermatologist tested, cruelty free. I just really love this one. And like I said, that minty scent just really kind of is refreshing to put on your face. The one deodorant that I have in this video, actually antiperspirant, I should say, one that I've been using for quite a long time is this Degree Motion Scents for black and white. This one is in Pure Rain scent. Normally I get unscented just because I use other scented products and I don't really see the need to have my deodorant have a scent to it. But this one I've actually really been enjoying. So I decided to try this antiperspirant a while back, mainly for my white tops. And I'm sure you have experienced this as well when you wear a white shirt over and over and over. Over time, sometimes it'll get those yellow stains under the arms that are just impossible. Like you cannot get them out. I've tried everything. And this antiperspirant claims to kind of help with that. I don't know, I have to say, I don't really wear a lot of white shirts, and you kind of have to wear them over the course of a few years to kind of see that. So I don't know if it really works. It also claims to not get white marks on your black tops. So I've just kind of been buying this one over and over. The quality of the antiperspirant quality in it seems to be pretty good. So I'll just continue to buy this one going into the future. So one lotion that I have been a devotee of for quite some time is Jergens. And this one I've actually been buying for probably almost about 10 years. I really love this Jergens oil-infused soothing aloe. It's got aloe and cucumber in it. Well, at least the scents anyway. And yeah, I just always continually buy this lotion. It's a really good all-purpose lotion, I feel. It's very light, so it's really good for the summertime. I pretty much use it everywhere. And like I said, it dries really quickly, and the scent is just very nice and light, not really heavy. And yeah, so this is one that I just always buy. This is my go-to lotion all the time. So we're gonna move on to shampoos and conditioners. I guess I'm one of those types of people that when I find something that I like, I just kind of really stick with it. So another company and another product that I've been using for a long time is Tresemme. So I just always use Tresemme. I do sometimes use other shampoos and conditioners, as we will see next, but this is one that I will always buy. I feel that the Tresemme shampoo and conditioner is really good for my hair. It just makes it feel soft and usually pretty manageable. I have very thin, fine hair, so take that for what it's worth. This one that I generally tend to buy is the moisture-rich one. But of course, Tresemme comes in a lot of different varieties for whatever your hair care needs are. But this one, I really feel like I said, it just really does a good job with my hair. So a few years back, I guess I was a little bit of a victim of social media, and somewhere, I don't know where it was, I saw Drew Barrymore talking about Garnier Whole Blends. And she said it was really good with her hair, and so I decided to try it. And I actually really like it. So I got the shampoo and the conditioner. And this one is the Almond and Argan Riches, which has like kind of a light scent to it, I guess. And I do find that it really does, even with the shampoo, when you're shampooing your hair, it has like a very luxurious quality to it that really does kind of make your hair feel soft. And for me, that's like the only thing that I'm really interested in, is just if my hair is soft and manageable, then that's like the main thing for me. I just have very straight, very fine and thin hair. There's nothing really too complicated about it. So I shampoo, I condition, and I go. But these ones I have found are really great. So I did enjoy this one so much that I actually did rebuy it. And so the next time when I bought it, I decided to buy the Honey Treasures variety. Pretty much the same, just a little bit of a different scent, just very light, not overly scented. And I just kind of feel like it generally makes my hair feel soft and manageable. So those are all of the empties that I managed to save and accumulate over the past year. If you have tried any of these products, please let me know in the comments. Let me know what your thoughts are, or if you plan to try any of them. And if my video has swayed you either way, please let me know as well in the comments. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you would like to see more videos that are similar to this. And I will see you very soon in another video.